Vietnam's leading scale of manufacturing. A team of highly qualified and experienced R&D engineers. Advanced technology, synchronous and closed production line. Thaco Trailer, the #1 trailer manufacturer in Vietnam. To penetrate deeply into the USA, Australia, Mexico, Canada markets and become the #1 trailers manufacturer in ASEAN, in 2023 we innovated and invested in modern production lines with a capacity of 30,000 products per year, 2 shifts. With many outstanding technologies. Fiber laser cutting technology, automatic welding robots, automatic shot bluting, ED coating, powder coating. Owning a team of more than 1,000 highly qualified and experienced engineers along with modern equipment and technological design, simulation software such as AutoCAD, CATIA, HyperWorks. We focuses on R&D activities. We conduct research and develop products according to the customer's unique demands in the USA, Australia, Canada, Mexico, and other markets. Besides, we have equipped a modern machinery system, operating under a closed and synchronous production process from input to output through 5 main stages of manufacturing. Fabrication, welding, paint and surface treatment, assembly, inspection. At the fabrication line, landing gear assembly and chassis frame assembly are machined with high precision on an automatic operating system, through advanced technologies such as slitting line, fiber laser cutting machine, CNC pressing machine, square steel, tube steel laser cutting machine. The welding line has 40 automatic welding robots with a reach of up to 2,200 millimeters, imported directly from Japan, applying Sigma 5 AC servo technology to help welding joints with high accuracy and uniformity in all products. Specifically as BD and WD crossbeam, small parts welding, welding to connect chassis frame, underside welding, side welding. A trailer chain turning jig with a capacity of up to 10 tons helps to process complex profiles with the most accuracy, meeting high technical standards. We own advanced technologies and a strictly controlled painting process, including the following stages. Shot blasting. The semi-trailers are put into the shot blasting booth to automatically clean the chassis surface, create roughness for the coating layer and increase adhesion. The capacity is 17,400 chassis per year, equivalent to 15,000 semi-trailers per year. ED dipping line with independent control system is capable of dipping products with the length up to 17 m, hardening products surface and increasing salt mist resistance up to 1,000 hours, reaching a capacity of 37,500 products, equivalent to 15,000 semi-trailers per year. The electrostatic powder coating line has lifting load up to 4 tons. The product's surface after coating is resistant to scratches and abrasion together with the thermal bonding process in the drying stage, while creating gloss finish and aesthetics. The assembly line applies monorail equipment with a capacity of up to 7.6 tons, is integrated programming and automatic operation to standardize assembly cycle time, save manpower and improve efficiency. Product inspection is a stage that Thaco Industries pays special attention to. At this process, trailers are put to the real test on diversified terrains such as gravel road, hump road, wavy road, the ability of turnaround and circle, scarf shape road. With the goal to achieve from 40% to 70% localization, we have been putting into use self-manufactured components such as frame chassis, landing gear, suspension S components and leaf spring, air tank, tire and wheel, wire harness and lamp, mud laps. The company's products ensure high precision, serving the unique needs of customers, and according to standards of each domestic and international markets. Until now, we has constantly produced and exported to many markets in the world such as USA, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Korea, Japan, Thailand. It's expected that export revenue in 2023 will get $250 million US, especially from December 2021 to present. We have exported nearly 11,000 semi-trailers to the USA. With a multimodal transport system in the ecosystem, Thaco Industries ensures fast and on-time delivery to all countries around the world with the most optimal cost. Thaco Trailer, the #1 trailers manufacturer in Vietnam.